Awuthami ngicela ungikhumbuze igama ubani konje mfethu?
Libitso la ka ke Mr. Big Linyora Danko.
Mr. Pete Linyora. So mfethu ngicela ungitshele ngegame yaFandag uyibona kanjani?
Hayi ke dlalile mnati bafana badlile grand. Hayi everything is a mele sharp yeah.
Thank you mfethu. So looking at today's starting lineup.
Yeah.
Did you have any player that you expected ukuthi beyizoqala today but azange uzoyibona?
So what didn't say? I thought ba simula ba thoma ka Moremi a tsena ka second half wa bona. Then ka realize gore o batla go ba be strong for AFCON yeah.
Oh, so you expected Moremi in the second half?
Yeah.
So Moremi in the second half, who were you expecting to start more at Qarileng teng yena?
Mo Moremi a thomileng teng. Maybe a thome ka bo
A police relay.
yeah, a police yeah.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa mfethu ngiyakuzwa. So igame yathi la ngisibukelile mfethu. Ngicela ungitshele i-man of the match yakho today. Ubani odlalele kamnandi?
Man of the match hayi Mbuyile
Siphombule. Siphombule. Master Chef. Okay. Thank you mfethu. So bafana mfethu iyoqala iAFCON nge-22 ne against iAngola. Mawubhekile uyophelela vak le tournament.
hayi forward we go.
We're taking it.
Yeah, taking it.
Bafethu bathi nayithathe yenu nonke awuthami ngiyabonga mfethu. Thank you. This is PSL Pass bafethu. Please don't forget to subscribe. Danko.